This is a species called Chrozophera rottlerii. Rottlerii. And this Chrozophera, they are a group of plants that occur from the Mediterranean to Africa and Middle East and India and little bit in Central Asia also. And it likes that Mediterranean type of climate by and large, that is hot and all that, and it also tolerates poor soil. Then it's called, there are about 10 species are there of this this family, and then about 4 or 5 are there in India. Then it's a herb also, skin and blood medicine. Then it has lot of useful chemicals. These kind of warty looking leaves, rough texture is there. Then some hundreds of alkaloids and all kind of chemicals have been isolated from this one. And it seems some interesting things I saw about this. One is camels are eating this in Kenya, it seems. Then in other parts of Africa, goats and all don't eat it because they vomit and have diarrhea. So goats can't digest means it's quite a remarkable thing. Goats can normally digest almost anything. Then apart from that, in the medieval times, they make some kind of a pale blue dye with it, and it was used for manuscripts and all at one time, it seems, to give color to those manuscripts, those medieval manuscripts. So that's another property. Then that's about it. That's what I could find. And the unique thing is these flowers are very tiny. That white, that yellow thing, pale yellow, is the flower, and then after the flower, this is the seed pod. So when you enlarge it, they look quite freaky and attractive. So that's a little bit about this freaky species. Now we'll try to get a close up of that flower, and it has almost a cactus type of look. That seed. So that's a little bit about it. And here I found it in a paddy field, but not all over the paddy field. Some fresh mud has been dumped over here. They got it by tractor and dumped, and in that poor kind of soil without carbon and all, this plant has grown. So that is it's a Surya, the Sanskrit name, Indian name is some Varti, and then in Kannada it's called Linga Menasu.